Do you ever struggle with keeping your plants healthy and thriving? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome back to PlantyHome. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of plant enthusiasts. Today we're sharing green thumb tips, how to keep your plants thriving. Whether you're a seasoned plant lover or just starting your green journey, these tips will help ensure your plants are lush and vibrant. Let's get into it. Understanding plant needs. Every plant has unique needs, but understanding the basics can make a big difference in keeping them healthy. 1. Light requirements. Plants vary in their light preferences. Some thrive in bright, indirect light, while others are happy in low light conditions. Make sure to place your plants according to their specific light needs. For example, succulents love bright, direct sunlight, while ferns prefer low to medium light. 2. Watering wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Most plants prefer to dry out between waterings. Check the soil moisture before watering. If it's still damp, wait a bit longer. A good rule of thumb is to water thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain. 3. Humidity and temperature. Different plants have different humidity and temperature requirements. Tropical plants often need higher humidity and warmer temperatures, while others might prefer drier conditions. Use a humidity tray or a humidifier for plants that need extra moisture. Soil and potty selection. The right soil and pot can greatly influence plant health. 1. Choosing the right soil. Select soil based on your plant type. Cactus and succulents need well-draining soil, while houseplants like pothos and peace lilies thrive in standard potting mix. Adding perlite or sand can improve drainage for plants that need it. 2. Pot with drainage. Always use pots with drainage holes. This prevents water from sitting at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. If you love decorative pots without drainage, use them as outer pots and place a smaller pot with drainage inside. Fertilizing and care routines. Proper feeding and consistent care routines can help keep your plants in top shape. 1. Fertilizing. Feed your plants with the right type of fertilizer during their growing season. Liquid fertilizers are great for quick absorption, while slow-release options provide nutrients over time. Follow the instructions to avoid over-fertilizing. 2. Pruning and deadheading. Regularly prune your plants to encourage healthy growth. Remove dead or yellowing leaves and spent flowers to promote new growth and prevent diseases. 3. Pest control. Check for common pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to manage pests. Keeping your plants clean and well-maintained can also help prevent infestations. Creating a green space. A thriving plant collection also depends on creating the right environment. 1. Group plants. Together, grouping plants can create a microenvironment with higher humidity and can also enhance the aesthetic of your space. Just make sure they have enough space for air circulation. 2. Rotate plants. Rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth. This helps all sides of the plant get adequate light and prevents leaning towards the light source. 3. Decorate with plants. Use plants to enhance your home decor. Mix different types of plants and pots to create visually appealing arrangements that complement your interior style. Keeping your plants thriving involves understanding their unique needs and providing consistent care. By following these green thumb tips, you can enjoy a lush and healthy plant collection that brings beauty and joy to your home. If you found these tips helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with fellow plant lovers, and leave a comment below with your own plant care tips or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant care advice and nature-inspired content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.